In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Perplexity AI and set them to run every day. This simple process will help you automate tasks and receive updates seamlessly. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, head over to the search bar and type in Perplexity AI. After you hit enter, you should see the Perplexity AI website in your search results. Clicking on the link will take you directly to the Perplexity AI homepage. When you land on the Perplexity AI homepage, your next step is to locate the profile icon. You'll find this in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. It should be reasonably visible, acting as your gateway to personalizing your experience within the platform. Click on it to proceed. Upon accessing your profile, you're going to want to select Tasks from the menu options. You'll typically find this under the Settings or Options section, serving as the hub for creating and managing your tasks within Perplexity AI. Initiating this step is crucial because this is where you'll set up your tasks to run automatically each day. Now, look for a plus sign icon, a universal symbol that allows you to add new entries or tasks. Click on this icon to create a new task. After clicking, you'll need to move on to the Scheduled tab. This will open up a section where you'll specify how your task should be set up for automated execution. In the field provided, you'll need to input your instruction. For example, you might want Perplexity AI to fetch all the final NBA scores for the day, including details such as each matchup, the final score, and the top performers. Specifying how you want the data, such as in a table with columns for the matchup, final score, and top performers, will ensure the information is presented clearly and effectively. Once you've inputted your instruction, it's time to schedule your task. Find the Schedule option and select Daily. This ensures that your specified task will run once every day. A routine task like this can save you time and ensure that you consistently receive the information you need. On the same scheduling interface, you'll need to select a specific time for the task to run. Choose a time that best suits your routine or when you want results delivered. It's entirely customizable based on your preferences. Furthermore, for receiving notifications, you have the flexibility to choose between different platforms. Whether through in-app, email, or mobile notifications, you can select one or multiple options to ensure you're promptly notified of task completions or updates. Finally, don't forget to save your task settings. Click on the Save button to ensure all your configurations are retained. This final step guarantees that your task will perform as intended, delivering a worry-free automated experience straight into your notifications. And that's it. You've now set up a daily task in Perplexity AI, ensuring you receive up-to-date information effortlessly. Enjoy the convenience of automation and happy task managing.